Select models have a head-up display that projects information closer to the driver's line of sight, helping to enhance driver awareness. To turn the head-up display on or off, press the HUD button located to the left of the steering column. Use the button with the up-down arrows just to the right of the HUD button to adjust the height of the display on the windshield. You can also adjust the brightness of the head-up display. Press and hold the HUD button to the left of the steering wheel for 2 seconds. Then, use the up-down arrows to make the display brighter or dimmer. About 6 seconds after you've adjusted the brightness, the up-down arrows will resume their height-adjusting functions. Among the right side steering wheel controls is another HUD button. Use this one to select which types of information you want displayed. Vehicle speed and the traffic sign recognition displays will appear in every case. In addition, you can choose adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist status screens, tachometer, turn-by-turn directions, and compass displays.